never heard a dog do that before.
Really?
I've heard a horse, but never a dog.
Oh my gosh.
Hi everyone, today I'm with my friend Sarah and she's going to be doing my makeup.
Hi everyone.
She's going to be going for kind of a natural eye look on me, probably like a gold or a champagne color, which is usually my go-to, so let's get started.
Okay, so for today we're going to be using the Lunar Beauty Life's A Drag palette, which I just got. I'm so excited about it. And we're mainly going to be using this color scheme right here. Okay, so first we're going to start with priming the eye. I'm going to use concealer to do that.
I already have like a tiny bit of eyeshadow on, but it should be fine.
I do? Okay.
Yeah. Actually, yeah. I think it's the highlighter that I put on.
Oh, really?
Yeah, because I have like the Anastasia palette.
Oh, so. I do too. I had one that was discontinued, and I really love it. I wish it wasn't discontinued.
I think that's the Sweets one in the Aurora.
Mm-hmm. Okay, so now that we have the concealer on the eyes, we're going to set it. And I'm going to use the shade Cake Face, which is actually the white shade, to do that. So it's this one right here.
And where'd you get this palette?
I got this on lunarbeauty.com. It actually took only 4 days for it to get here, which was really awesome. Okay, now I'm going in the shade Sickening, which is this one. It's like a warm tone brown. I'm just going in the crease with it.
Are you going to do brows at all?
Yeah, I'll do them after.
Cool. Oh, what's that sparkly like pink color in the middle? Is it called Beat? I couldn't tell.
Yeah, Beat.
Oh, I love that one.
I know, that's one I used in my eyes earlier. What kind of eye looks do you normally go for?
Usually like a champagne or a gold, or pink. I've never really gone for anything too wild. Even like for stage makeup, I tend to keep it on the down low.
Mm-hmm. Makes sense.
I'm always told to put more blush on, or like a darker color in the crease.
Do you use foundation normally?
I haven't in a very long time. But I feel like for events I like to.
Mm.
It's one of those things, like, I love the look of it, but at the same time, like, I just really like to save it.
What kind do you have?
I have two that I really like. The NARS Sheer Glow, which you've seen in many of my videos, and my new favorite is the Too Faced Born This Way, and use the palest color, Snow.
That's the name of it?
Yep. And the NARS...
Wait, the NARS one or the...
The NARS one is Siberia.
Oh, okay.
That shows how pale I am.
Siberia, that's funny. I think I'm shade Fiji in the NARS foundations.
That sounds like a very nice high-end water.
Too expensive if you ask me. So I'm just focusing the same shade, Sickening, on the outer corner right now.
If you hear any noise in the background, it's Sarah's really cute black lab, Jack.
Yeah. He just got ACL surgery, so that's why he has to be with us right now.
And he wears a cone.
Mm-hmm. Looks really cute with it. Now that we have the transition shade on, I'm just going to take a little bit of Hunty, which is this more cool tone brown right here.
Oh.
I'm going to place that more towards the outer edge and a little bit in the crease.
Are we going to use the Beat at all? I love that one.
Yeah.
Yay.
I'm just creating some definition in the outer portion of the eye. Who did your makeup for prom?
Me.
You did it?
Mm-hmm. What about you?
I did my own too.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
It's like fun doing it yourself. Like in high school, like the only thing that really got me up in the morning was knowing that I could do my makeup.
Mm-hmm. Mine was that I got to eat when I woke up.
Nice.
So.
It was like makeup and picking an outfit.
Yeah, I love makeup. I'm not that into hair. And I don't really like fashion that much. I just find it a pain.
I can't do hair for my life. If you can already tell, like my ponytail's a mess.
It's okay, it's easy to just throw it up.
It took me, how old am I? Well, it took me I think 19 years to be able to do the half up, half down without pulling out hair strands.
Oh god.
Finally mastered it around Christmas.
Alright, now we're gonna go with Mug. and this is gonna deepen the outer V a little bit.
As we're going into more detail, I thought that the camera should maybe be a little closer, and yeah, I'm 90% positive you all agree, so let's carry on.
That was so funny. My dog just farted. I really hope you guys could hear that. That would be so funny.
Are we keeping that in?
Bloopers.
Okay. Never had anything like that on this channel before.
Better him doing it than me.
I've never heard a dog do that before.
Really?
I've heard a horse, but never a dog.
Oh my gosh. Look at me for a second. Look down though. Not with your head, just your eyes. Okay.
So yesterday I had some pretty major car trouble.
Oh god, really?
Went into a car wash and it took the gas door off, and there's even security camera footage of me going in and everything's perfectly fine and coming out, the thing dangling.
Wait, what was dangling?
The door covering the gas cap.
Why? How did that happen?
I don't know, I guess the water pressure. So it was one of those touch-free car washes.
Oh. Okay. Now that I've deepened up the crease in the outer corner.
Hope you can see that.
Yeah, it's just like a light wash of brown. We're gonna go in with the gold shade. It's called Legendary. It's so pretty. So pretty. I swatched it earlier and it was gorgeous. Oh good, I got blue eyeshadow all over my shirt.
That's really
god.
Good. Use some shout spray on that.
I know.
I'll link it in the bio.
Okay.
If y'all can't notice, over the past few months something has changed. I've never had dimples, but now I only have one dimple sometimes and not two. Like, look at that. Nothing. Dimple. Nothing. Dimple. I've got one dimple.
Are you sure you just haven't noticed it?
No, because they're old pictures and I never had one.
Huh. Strange.
I've never used setting spray before.
Really?
Nope.
The Urban Decay All Nighter one is my favorite.
But I use the Too Faced Shadow Insurance Primer. It's really good.
Oh yeah. Is that for like glittery shades?
Yeah. Well, it can be used on any shade. I mostly use it on like glitter though.
Because I know that people use the NYX glitter glue, and I think they use it instead of the Too Faced.
Yeah. Well, that one was a gift, so.
Oh, okay. So I'm just wetting my brush to apply it to the lid. Just to see how it applies. Because I don't like applying it dry. It tends to be more crumbly, and it doesn't stay on the eye as well. Oh yeah, that's better.
It's fun. Sometimes for theater we get to do the guy's makeup and it either comes out really well or really comical.
Oh yeah.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. Jack.
That was Jack.
Jack, lay down. Right now.
This is staying in.
Jack. Hey, lay down. Okay, I don't really like how it's applying with a brush. It is applying better, but I would rather use my finger.
Okay, that's fine.
Oh my gosh, so much better. So that's like a swatch, and that's just the leftover from like putting it on her eye. So, okay. To clean everything up, I'm just gonna go back in with the shade Hunty, which is this one right here. I'm just gonna go back in the crease to blend everything out.
Thinking about doing some like vegetarian content on here too, just like deciding why I did it or like certain
Oh,
foods.
you are vegetarian?
Yeah. Also, I guess borderline vegan.
So like what do you not, or what do you eat that doesn't consider you vegan?
I only eat like dairy or eggs like if they're baked into something, never on their own.
Okay. Okay, now since I basically wiped off all her concealer, I'm gonna put some more under the eyes.
And what concealer is that?
This is the Catrice Liquid Camouflage High Coverage Concealer. It's in the shade Light Beige. Look up. Look up. I prefer sponges to apply my foundation and my concealer opposed to brushes.
Same.
Just because I think it's more natural looking and it's, I think everything blends out easier. I'm using the number 7 bronzer in Golden Sand. I like to use this one for paler skin because it's very light, but it does show up on the skin, which is nice.
Do you ever use like a contour kit?
You know, I don't actually have any contour products. I wish I did, but I also have the, what's it called? I think I left it upstairs.
The bronzer is definitely more natural.
Yeah. The Physicians Formula, the butter bronzer, I have that one. I love it. But that one is kind of like a neutral bronzer opposed to like a warm toned one.
Oh yeah.
So you can kind of get away with contouring with that one and bronzing at the same time. What kind of blush do you normally use?
I have a few different ones. My favorite is my Hourglass one.
Ooh, high end. Okay, now I'm gonna go in this blush. I actually got it from my Ipsy bags. I no longer get them because I don't have money for that. But it's the So Susan Cosmetics Blush and Glow. So it has like a little bit of a shimmer to it.
It's a darker color.
It is, but it's not too pigmented.
Yeah, you should go for like more of the brighter pinks.
Mm-hmm.
So it's gonna be different.
For highlighter, this is the Wet n Wild's one. It's called, I think it's Moon Tears shade. It doesn't say it, but I'm pretty sure it's Moon Tears. Oh yeah, right here. But it's their new collection. It's their spring collection.
So this powder?
Yes, it's
beautiful.
gorgeous.
Oh my god, show the viewers.
See, it has like a little skull in there.
Can't really see the sparkle right
I know,
now.
I'm gonna swatch it.
Oh my god, it's unbelievable.
It's really, really pretty. I don't know if you can see that. It's not. There we go.
Smart doing it from the lid.
Mm-hmm.
See? Sarah's not making a mess. She's using the residue from the lid to get a strong highlight.
Why did someone else not do that?
I don't know. I think most people would just make a mistake.
Yeah.
I haven't watched that many people do highlighter with loose powders.
Oh my gosh, it's so pretty.
Oh my god. I'm looking in like the viewfinder and I love it. It's like,
yeah, you can already see it. See it. I love it.
And I think my
tip of the nose.
I think my lips are already done. Like my liquid lipstick lasts ages.
Yep.
There's Jack's like right in front of me. I'm petting him right now. He's so cute. Hi, Jack. He's like looking up.
He just wants to lick you through the cage.
He looks like a little seal right now. The way he's bending.
He does look like a seal.
I wish you could see him. Perhaps I'll insert a clip in the end of Jack.
Okay, so now I'm gonna do her brows with the Brow Stylist Definer by L'Oreal, and it's in the shade I think dark blonde. Okay. Starting to buy only cruelty-free brand makeup now.
That's really good.
Bye bye L'Oreal. I'm just gonna set your brows quickly with the Essence Make Me Brow Gel. I love this. I use this every single day. And it's in the shade Blondie Brows.
I really want to try the Charlotte Tilbury brows because they're cruelty-free.
They are?
Mm-hmm. So this is the completed look. I think Sarah did a great job and I hope she makes her own channel.
Thank you. I'm really glad that you like it.
You're welcome. Thank you for doing my makeup.
Of course. Anytime.